So really, when you're bringing robotics and increased automation into a facility, you're allowing the facility and the enterprise to utilize all that talent much more effectively. So you're not going to have somebody who may have great programming skills, basically counting parts or grabbing something off the fork truck to bring it to the assembly line. You can use them in quality control. You can use them to run more complicated scanning equipment and measuring equipment to make sure that there's fewer recalls and there's fewer customer complaints. So really, it's taking advantage of that technology and utilizing it the way it should be, and then implementing that talent that you have from all that human capital and allowing them to do more. So really, again, there's no way of saying that it won't take away some of these jobs, but I think the better way to describe that is it's transforming a lot of these positions within these facilities, again, to utilize all those skills that right now are kind of going untapped.